Welcome to my tutorial on mastering API authorization in Postman. In today's session, we're going to dive deep into the process of adding API authorization details to your requests using Postman. By the end of the tutorial, you will be equipped with all the knowledge you need to securely authenticate your API requests. Alright, let's jump right in. With a request opened in Postman, the first step is to navigate to the Authorization tab. Here you will find a drop-down menu labeled Type. This is where you select the type of authorization you want to use for your request. Postman supports various types of authorization, such as OAuth 2, API key, and more. Choose the one that suits your API's requirements. Once you have selected your desired authorization type, Postman will indicate where your authentication details will be included in the request. It could be in the header, body, URL, or query parameters. Next, you will need to complete the relevant details for your selected type. These details will vary depending on the type of authorization you've chosen and the requirements of your API. Remember, if you're using a third-party API, always refer to provider's documentation for any required OAuth details. After you have set up your authorization type and enter the required details, you can view your OAuth data in the relevant parts of the request, such as the Headers tab. Postman adds your OAuth details automatically to the relevant parts of the request, so you can preview how your data will be sent before you run the request. Next, to reveal any hidden headers that were added automatically, simply select the Hidden option. To do that, hovering over a header will provide information about where it was added. If you need to make changes to an auth header, you can easily do so by returning to Authorization tab. Also, Postman allows you to use environments, collection, and global variables in your request OAuth. Once you've sent your request, you can inspect a raw dump of the entire request, including OAuth data in the Postman console. And there you have it. You have now equipped to master API authorization in Postman like a pro. Thanks for joining me today. Happy coding!